If we then look at the EL images, they look quite different from PERC, and we have a few important observations here. So we see features that look quite similar to what we've seen previously with heterojunction, and I will show that in the next slide. But we also see, for example, in group 2, that we have these type 1 failures, so basically these point defects that are actually growing during DAMP testing. So that's a bit worrying. So that for TOPCon, if you make a mistake in lamination, then this can actually spread after DAMP testing. And you see the losses for the worst modules. So on the right, yeah, they look quite similar to what we saw with heterojunction.
Visit sinovoltaics.com to learn more.